All right, we're gonna decode this master lock 875. There's a pretty well-known method where without using any tools. So first thing I'm gonna do, right now it's operational. We're gonna change the combination by doing that, and then scrambling up those wheels. All right, we're gonna put that back here, lock it up, scramble those wheels some more. All right, now it is locked up. So the method is basically to pull on the shackle, which binds the wheels against some sort of fork thing, and give them all a wiggle. And if we feel one that's exceptionally loose, it's probably in a true gate. Otherwise, it is probably in a false gate. So I've done this a couple times. What I found is I really need to get these. Oh, that might be a. Is that a? That might have been a hit. Thinking maybe 7 for this one. Maybe. Or I'm just not binding everything up. Keep 7 here. Let's keep moving on the other ones. Just keep rolling them down one at a time. Make sure everything's in. Oh, I think that's a hit on that too. Let's keep rolling on 1 and 2. 2 on 2. That feels good. Make sure everything's lined up to be in any gate. Yeah, I think it's just this one now. There we go. Got that open. All right, well, that was pretty easy. No tools required. Funny enough, these were probably the higher end combination lock at Lowe's. So I wonder if they know. All right, well, thanks for watching.